Dear students, let's continue Module 5. In this lecture video, I will be discussing the two topics, that is wireless temperature monitoring system using Raspberry Pi, and second one DS18B20 temperature sensor. So let us start. Wireless temperature monitoring system using Pi. So Raspberry Pi using which inbuilt Wi-Fi, which makes Raspberry Pi too suitable for IoT application. In the Raspberry Pi, inbuilt Wi-Fi will be there, which makes the Raspberry Pi suitable for IoT application. By using the IoT technology, this monitoring system works by uploading the temperature value to the fixed speed cloud. So, using this IoT technology, the monitoring system upload the temperature at things speed cloud. Okay, you remember things speed cloud, on which the monitoring system, sensor and all will be storing their data. By this project, you can able to learn how to handle cloud-based application using API key. By using this project, we can able to handle the cloud-based application. In this monitoring system, we use fixed speed cloud, the cloud which is suitable to give the sensor logs in the form of graph plot. So in this cloud, we can see sensors when it is logged in, till when it was logged in, when it is logged out, and what all sensors got. Here we created one field to monitor the temperature that can be reconfigurable to monitor a number of sensor values in various fields. Here, temperature will be monitored for output purpose. This basic will teach you how to work with the cloud by using LM35 as a temperature sensor to detect the temperature and to upload those values in the cloud. So these things will be used to store the value in the cloud. Sensors data, temperature and all will be stored in the things speed cloud. Here hardware requirement for the hardware requirement for this Raspberry Pi SD card, power supply, VGA to HDMI converter, that hardware will be there. Then MCP3008 ADC IC chip will be there, and a temperature sensor LM35. All the hardware required will be there. Then software requirement, Raspbian state operating system. We already saw the different type of operating system supported by the Raspberry Pi. SD card formatter, this is the software. Then Win32 disk imager for each. Then Python library used. Raspberry Pi GPIO to access the GPIO pins of Raspberry Pi. So these are the library used for accessing the functions. Then time library, it is used for time delay, and URLLib2 to handle URL using Python programming. So these are the library functions which will be used. Next topic which coming is DS18B20 temperature sensor. So what is that? It is a sensor to measure the temperature. So DS18B20 is the 3-terminal programmable temperature sensor. You can see that this is the DS18B20. Here it will be written 18B20. And first it will be vendor's name who has created this sensor. Now this is the sensor, and it has the 3 pins. The first one it is called VCCP. So it is a voltage. It is a power. It powers the sensor can be 3.5 volt to 5 volt. 3.5 volt to 5 volt. So keep it here. Then next, it is a data pin, and this pin is used to carry forward the sensor data or temperature data. So this pin gives output the temperature value, which can be read using one wire method. So using one wire method only, the data will be read out. Then third pin, it is the ground pin. So ground pin, it can connect to the ground of the circuit. So as you know that in house or anywhere, that the ground circuit will be there, ground wire will be there, earthing, which is also called earthing. So this third wire ground, it will be connected with the ground. It is widely used to measure temperature in hard environments, and this sensor, its main function is to measure the temperature. So it is widely used to measure temperature in hard environment like chemical factories, solutions, mines, or soil. So these are the very tough environment or temperature based area. These sensor will be used. The construction of the sensor is rough and also can be purchased with a waterproof option, making the mounting process easy. So here this sensor can be made waterproof also by mounting. Okay, can be purchased with a waterproof option, making the mounting process easy. So that it will be that sensor will be mounted with the waterproof, and it will be easy. It can measure a wide range of temperature minus 55 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius with a decent accuracy of plus minus 5 degrees Celsius. It means this sensor can be used in that it can be used in the very cold place like Jammu, Kashmir, where temperature is very low, or any area which is minus 55 degrees Celsius, or it can be also used near the 125 degrees Celsius temperature. I mean, volcano and all temperature will be 125 degrees Celsius. So this sensor can be used with plus minus 5 degrees Celsius accuracy. Each sensor has a unique address and requires only one pin of MCU to transfer data. So it a very good choice for measuring temperature at multiple points without compromising much of your digital pins on the microcontroller. So each sensor has a unique address and requires only one pin of MCU to transfer the data. So I hope all of you are understanding it. It has a unique, each pin is having the unique address which will be easy for it to transfer the data. Next is applications. Applications of this temperature sensor DS18V20. Measuring temperature at hard environments, liquid temperature measurement, etc. Applications where temperature has to be measured at multiple points. At multiple points, temperature can be measured using these sensors. So these are the applications. Next is connecting Raspberry Pi via SSH. That we will be discussing. Okay. Have we included in the this? No, we have not included that topic in this lecture video. So we will be discussing in the next video, that accessing temperature from DS18V0. Thank you very much.